our pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to one and all and our dearest Guneet Kaur Bagan, an eminent actor, budding singer, budding writer and director. Her devotion, dedication and perseverance have let her achieve success. We welcome you wholeheartedly and we are glad to have you amongst us.
When I was in school, at some point I knew whether for a short period or a long period I wanted to be in front of the camera. And I think I was very fortunate to be in Ryan Chambur and have a studio in our school. So I signed up the BBN course and I told my parents that I just have to be a part of it. Everything that I am today, BBN is a huge part of it.
Who was your inspiration to become an actor?
When I started acting, I didn't really have an inspiration. I just wanted to be there because as a child, when I saw movies, I've been a Disney kid and I've seen almost every Disney movie and I've watched more of English films growing up. So I would just see the way they would act and just the experiences that they were living, and that really excited me to be up there. With time, Mrinal Thakur is someone that I really look up to. She has done Love Sonia and it's there on an OTT platform called Amazon Prime. I think that is the best female performance that an actor has given in the last 20-30 years. And she's someone I really look up to. I love the way she puts herself on screen and just the way her process of acting is. It's very beautiful, it's lovely.
How did you start your career as an actress, and also about your struggles in the way of becoming an actress?
I started as a full-time actor last year in March, but I was still auditioning in 2018. I'd done with my course, my degree course, and after that I started talking to a few friends online, saying that okay, I want to do a 9-to-5 job, and I think my 10th audition was my first ad. And after that, I think every month I was doing 2 to 3 ads, which really helped me financially. So by the time when I got Sacred Games in March, which is my first project, I was financially sort of set, okay, that now I can be a full-time actor.
What were the effects in the Chhota Bheem show as at the industry due to COVID-19?
Chhota Bheem, it's more of a theatrical show. It's a Broadway performance that usually happens in the US, and it was one of a kind that happened in India. I think that was my acting school. I got Sacred Games. On the same day, I got Chhota Bheem in a span of 15 minutes. And that's the day where I decided, okay, full-time actor is my thing. About COVID-19 affecting the industry, it has very well impacted the theatrical Broadway industry. People can't go and watch theatrical shows now, but I think the digital space is working a lot.
Which profession will you be choosing rather than acting for your career?
I'm a marketing student, and if I wanted something other than acting, it would definitely be in the marketing field. I would probably do a job for a while and, then maybe start going into a business.
What's the most wonderful or humorous memory which you would like to share with us all?
I had a memory of the day when I shot for Sacred Games. I left from my Chhota Bheem rehearsals at 7 p.m. and I reached the set by 9. I was done with my shoot by 5 a.m. And then 7 a.m. I was in Powai rehearsing for Chhota Bheem, and I think those good 48 hours I did not sleep, but I was there working. And in the lockdown, I got Instagram sends you that, oh, last year, this time you were doing this. And I got that. And I was like, oh my God, I was so hardworking. And, now look at me, I've become all lazy and not doing things. So that really sort of inspired me and triggered me, okay, I need to go back and, get back and doing things.
What would be the theme song for your life?
Suraj Ki Baahon Mein from Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, because I want to enjoy every process I get. I don't want to have tension, okay, I have to do this and I have to do that.
What are you most proud of, being a woman or a celebrity?
I'm definitely more proud to be a woman, because no matter what role I think women take, they do it quite well, and they're quite multitasker in whatever they do.
Which is a dream project for future?
A dream project would be to do something with Disney, for sure. Because I love singing and I just really aspire the kind of content that they make.
At your stage of career, what according to you is the role of Ryan International School in it?
Ryan really gave me the confidence to sort of put myself out and just talk about my ideas in a better way. I realized very early on, with little group activities also in school, a lot of activities in BBN and a lot of extracurricular activities that we did in school. They helped me understand people because I work with so many people. So now I sort of know, okay, if I need to get something done from someone, I need to first understand what they think and then sort of, get a balance of what they want and what I want and then go ahead. So I think that's where Ryan really helped me. I don't see any other school doing pageants the way we do. I've never heard of any school having a studio, doing a BBN course full-fledged. So whenever I tell my friends that, oh, I used to work with, Sahara One as a child and my school sorted out the whole thing for me. And they would just be like, really? That's so cool that, you got to push from the very beginning.
Hi, Guneet. It was really a wonderful session. And on behalf of Ryan International Amritsar, I take the pleasure to thank you for joining us on this special day and making our day a very special one. And I'm sure this is the most inspirational session, and you have made the children understand. And definitely, the young Rhinites will boom up for a successful career after hearing you and interacting with you. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Guneet, you're a true inspiration for every Ranite. On behalf of Ryan International School, Amritsar, I would like to say a big thank you for joining us today and sharing your words of wisdom, inspiration and motivation. I would also like to thank our chairman sir and our director madam, our beloved CEO sir and our Ryan team and principal ma'am. I wish you a great future ahead and may God bless you in all your endeavors.
Bye. Thank you so much. Take care, you guys.